Let's make clouds in Blender, but first don't forget to like and subscribe because 98.1% of you are not subscribed. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to click Shift A and add in a meta ball. Then you're going to duplicate it into the shape of a cloud. Now once you're satisfied with your cloud, you're going to click you are going to select your cloud and then click Control A and then Visual Geometry. Then you're going to click Shift A and add in a volume empty. Now once you've done that, you're going to go to the Modifiers tab and you're going to do Mesh to Volume. Now once you've done that, you want to use the eyedropper and put it on your cloud. Then you can just disappear that mesh that you did. Then you're going to add a volume displacement and then change the type to clouds. Then you can just mess around with these settings if you want to make your cloud look more realistic. Now when you're in the Shaders tab, you're going to go over and change the render the cycles, and then just make sure that your film is transparent. Then you can change the color also to white, but also don't forget to add in the appropriate lighting. So once you've done that, you can now change the color to white. There you go, that's how you make a cloud in Blender. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.